To duplicate an estimate in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Estimates link under the Customer Hub app in the All Apps bar to open the Estimates page. Then find the estimate to duplicate in the Estimates list. Then click the drop-down under its Action column and select the Duplicate command to open a copy of that estimate within a new estimate window. The new estimate shows the next available estimate number. Also, text appears at the top of the new estimate that states this is a copy of an estimate. Then edit and save this new copy of the estimate as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.